How's it going? It's Bo with Dean Safe coming to you again with another video about the Stealth Essential Gun Safe series, the Essential Gun Safe Series 28. So we've talked about the Essential Gun Safe series by Stealth, and it comes in three sizes, the EGS 14, EGS 23. Now we're at the EGS 28, so the biggest one in this particular series. It comes in at 59 inches tall, 28 inches wide, and then 20 inches on the depth with adding 3 inches on the handle, so 23 overall, 375 pounds. This is the only safe that's different in this particular series, and the only reason it's different, just from an aesthetics point of view, is a subtle American flag. It still has the armored black paint that Stealth is known for, so really durable, and it looks really good. So it's a great safe for that garage, home office, in the bedroom. It's not an eyesore by any means, and it's really, really durable and easy to clean with a microfiber rag. You just wipe it off. This safe, just like all the other safes in this series, comes with a UL electronic lock, push button electronic lock that's easy to set, battery on the outside, 3-spoke handle. And then on the inside of this safe, just like the EGS 23, where it has adjustable shelves on the side, this is a 28 long gun safe. Remember, we talked about that. We have an EGS 14, 14 long gun, EGS 23, 23 long gun. Now we're in the EGS 28, 28 long guns. I'm speaking from a realistic experience that 28 guns is really, really doable if you have single shot 410 shotguns in there. It's going to fit 28. But realistically, this is a 15 to 20 long gun interior. So this would be a perfect safe for somebody that has 10 to 15 long guns that wants to keep them and still have the usable space on the other side. But if you outgrow that a little bit, you just take those shelves out and you have more room for long guns on that side. Then it does come with the Molle door panel that we've talked about that Stealth is known for. Really durable, really versatile, adjustable, all adjustable Molle door panels. So these just snap on there. You can move these all around. If you already have Molle capable accessories, you just add them to it. It's a great accessory, and I challenge you to look at competitors in this category of safe, that 30-minute fire rated type safe, and see, one, if they even have a door panel, or two, their door panel is probably a fixed door panel, so you can't move anything around, you're just stuck with it. This is really versatile, so you can move everything around. And then it has the top shelf that's adjustable, so you can move this up or down. This is rated for 50 pounds on the top, so it holds a pretty substantial amount of weight. So handguns, a little bit of ammo, paperwork, all that stuff that just organizes inside this safe. And then, like all Stealth gun safes, all of them come with that power outlet. So it comes with 3 power outlets inside and 2 USB charging ports. So you can add a light kit to it, you can add a dehumidifier rod to it, all of that stuff, and you don't have to buy an extra accessory, buy this. It all comes with it. You can add it right in there, which is really great. When you purchase a Stealth Essential Gun Safe, it just comes this way, and then you can do what you want with it. You don't have to piecemeal it all together. It does have the 4 pre-drilled holes to bolt down, so I recommend bolting this. Even at 375 pounds, we recommend bolting a safe down. It's the #1 security you could do for any safe on there, and it just gives you that extra level of peace of mind. But a really, really versatile safe that you can do a lot with. It's for that customer that's looking to expand their collection a little bit, or already has a little bit bigger collection, but at a very, very reasonable price point to get you into this bigger size of the safe. But just an overall good safe. Stealth Safes does a great job on knowing what the customer is looking for, and us at Dean Safe love selling this because we sell a lot of them. They're a good sale. They come in black, black, or black. So it is what it is. You get everything that comes with it, and we have a lot of happy customers because of that. If you're looking for more information on Stealth Safes or any other brand of safe that we cover here at Dean Safe, there's a couple places that you can do that. One, and probably the easiest, is deansafe.com. Two, look at our number here, the 800 number, give us a call. We have 3 retail stores with many salespeople that are very knowledgeable in this, and they can answer all kinds of questions across a wide range of products and manufacturers that we carry. Third, subscribe to this channel. You're going to get a lot of content about all the safes that we carry here at Dean Safe. Thank you very much.